the all-time great. Not as great as Fred, or Shane Dawson, or the dude from What the Buck. But still, I am Cameron Chipmunk. So, I have the topic for tonight's topic of the night. See? Topic of the night. And I sure cannot wait for that. Let's see what we're going to talk about tonight. Oh my goodness. This is going to be the most amazing talk in the world. I better get over 1 million hits for this topic, because it'll be amazing. It's going to be like more awesomer than anything in the world. It's even more awesomer than all of you beavers and your moms. Ooh, what now? But anyway, last night I had a fight with my girlfriend. She wasn't happy. Apparently she told me that I sound too much like a chipmunk. And I said, what the heck? That's how I was born. Girls are the most confusing things in the whole world. Thank you, Lord, for the creation of girls. That way we can know how confusing they are. Girls are so dramatic. It's like watching a real-life version of Twilight. Wait, no, it's not. Because girls don't have crushes on vampires and werewolves. Roar. I'm a werewolf. Yeah, I guess it is like Twilight. But, you know, girls are confusing! Now I hope you get the picture of why girls are confusing. Okay, I just got a text from her. Cameron, I'm very sorry for what happened last night. I hope we can stay together forever and ever and ever. I want to marry you and have kids with you. What the? Of course I want to have kids with you. But that's years away. Thank you. Anyway, Katie. I still love you. And then that little emoticon that shows the person kissing. Right, and sending. Message sent.
Oh, Cameron! Are you here?
I'm in here, Katie! Kate, I'm very, very sorry for what happened last night. I didn't mean any of that. I mean, I still love you. I want to have kids with you. But yes, still, I want to get married, have kids, which will be years away from now. But still, I want you to be mine. Don't leave me.
Oh, Cameron, that's so sweet of you to say. I will love you forever and ever. I want to have kids with you someday. And, yeah, so don't leave me.
Don't worry, Katie, I will never leave you. Never, ever, ever. Well, now we made up, and now we're still together.